Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a design team video today for Happy Crafter Shop. So she sent some goodies, guys. She's been actually sending a couple of these. They're like ready to dangle little charm things. It already comes with the lobster clasp, the chain, and then a cute little, sometimes cabochons, sometimes these planner things. So just some really cute little things for you, ready to make your own dangles. And I have yet to make one until now, and I am obsessed. This one is so pretty, you guys. I love this one that she sent me. And these like little orange beads, I had to play with them. And guys, these are so fun to make, and I love the fact that they're already packaged on here and they're attached. It was so easy to make this dangle without having to hold it. Like it created a really nice base, if you know what I mean, guys. I'm struggling to say what I want to say, but you guys get it. So this really cute, she has tons of different designs, guys, so go check it out. These are perfect for if you're a planner, if you want to gift it for Happy Meal, if you just want to dangle it on something. But I love this card that it comes on. It just made it so simple to create this. So I just wrapped some beads, put some bead caps on them. You guys can see these are from her shop. These iridescent. I'm obsessed with this light orange color beads. They are gorgeous. I'm not an orange lover, and these are gorgeous. I have to get some more of those. They're crack beads. And then this is from my stash here. This one's from my stash. And then this little charm is from her shop as well. So I love the way that it came out, you guys. It's nice and chunky. There's some beautiful beads. So definitely, if you have not grabbed any of these, go and grab them. This is my first time playing with them, and I'm kind of upset with myself that I didn't make more. But no worries, I got them in my stash now. I want to grab some more now. So she's got some really pretty ones, and you can probably expect to see some Christmas ones because I know Christmas is right around the corner. So that's my project share. And then I also made this cute, this is so damn cute, guys. I'm going to do a tutorial. We're going to make one of these. It's just a really simple, basic little charm dangle. Okay. All I did was put some beads, her little charm from her shop, and a lobster clasp from her shop. Super simple and great for any of you beginners, or even if you're like a professional, you feel like you're a professional, whatever kind of level you feel you are with beading, you can make these, and these would be so cute to gift and like a little set to your friends so that they can dangle on whatever. Guys, it's so cute, so tiny and so cute. So what you're going to need for this are your tools, okay? A round nose pliers, some regular pliers, these light orange crack beads. They're 8 millimeters. You can use whatever size beads you want. These are the ones that I'm using for this dangle in particular, okay? So go check out her shop. She has tons of beads. These are from another design team package. They're one of my favorites. The pink pearlized beads, 8 millimeters. She has tons of colors. You are going to need her gold and silver pumpkin charms, or whatever kind of charms that you have from her shop, because she has tons and tons. And then she, I'm not sure if she still has these in her shop, but she was selling these lobster clasps. So let's get started. You are going to need, and you're going to need some jump rings, you guys. I got the jump rings right here, and some bead caps if you want to fancy up your beads. And then you're going to need some head pins or eye pins. All right. Now these are I think they're called ball pins, because they have like a little ball on there. But there's some head pins that have a flat surface on the bottom, and then there's an eye pin that has a loop. Okay, so these are from Amazon. They are my favorite for wrapping like just a couple little small beads. And as you can see, I'm running low. This thing was jam-packed with thousands of them. So this is from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below in case you guys are interested. And let's get started. So let's start with wrapping a bead. Let's wrap this little orange one that's not supposed to be in here. Get over here, girl. You want to be pink so bad. So grab your bead, and you are going to grab your head pin or your eye pin, whatever you have. And I like to start with some bead caps to fancy it up, okay? So I'm going to grab one bead cap. And I'm sorry if my sausage fingers are in the way. We're going to try to make it do what it do. There goes my bead cap. Then I'm going to place my bead. Super simple, you guys. If you guys need help with dangles making or anything to do with beads, check out my playlist. I will have it linked down below. I have tons of videos, hours of footage of us making dangles and stuff, guys. I'm going to top it off with another bead cap. Just like that, guys. So bead cap, bead, bead cap. And then I'm going to take my round nose pliers, which are these. They have a pointed tip and they're rounded, okay? And you are going to place this wherever you want. The more further this way to the end, it's going to be a smaller hole. The more this way, it's going to be a bigger hole that you're going to create on top, okay? And let me show you what I mean. This is what I mean. The top of it will either have a big hole or a small hole. You figure out the size that you like. I like to do kind of small because this is a really small pin. So just place it where you like it and you're just going to roll. Hold that pin. I'm holding that pin in place with my other hands, my other fingers, and I'm just continuously rolling, keeping it in place. I'm going to keep on rolling until I get to the bottom, and I'm going to do it a little tight. Don't go too tight, guys, because if you're using glass beads, you can break them, okay? And it's like really scary when that happens. It always freaks me out when I do that. So just like that, and we have our little loop, our little hole there to add to our dangle, okay? So now we're going to grab our lobster clasp, which is this. And you're going to get a jump ring, which is this. And you're going to open this bad boy up with your tools. Don't use your fingers, you guys. Use your tools. So put one tool in each, clamp it down, and just pull them apart a little bit. Okay, you want to have enough room to add your lobster clasp. So I'm going to add my lobster clasp. Ooh, I hate it when that happens. Ooh, let me grab another one. Let's do that again. I gotta get my other pliers, because really I think I should be using 2 pliers for this part. The round nose pliers always slips. All right. I'm just trying to open it enough so that I can put those beads. All right, there we go. It's opened. And we are gonna add our lobster clasp. These are so simple to do, guys. I hope that I inspire you guys. And then we're going to add a bead on one side. And you can use whatever size jump ring you want. Now I'm going to grab the end of this with my pliers. And I'm going to put the other bead, which is this pink one. Just like that, you guys. Okay. Lobster clasp, a bead on each end. And then I am going to close this. So yeah, I hope I inspire you guys to make these. It's super simple. Like I said, beginner friendly, but for any... Guys, we have so many cute like beads and charms that we can add. Look at how cute. So adorable, you guys. You can hang it like that, but we want to add that charm. So what I did is I grabbed another jump ring. Let me get a bigger jump ring. I personally like to use smaller, like teeny tiny jump rings when I'm putting them on dangles, because I want them to be tight. But for like charms like this, I like to use a bigger jump ring, okay? So you're just going to take your jump ring and we're going to open it up with our tools. And we are going to take our charm. Let's get a pumpkin charm. These come in silver and gold. And guys, I do have a video on how you can alter the color of your charms. You guys know I hate silver. I need to color some of these pink. They're going to be really cute. So I'll link that video down below. I got to remember to do that. So we're going to grab the gold, of course, because we're using, I like to match. If I'm using gold chain, gold, lobster clasp, gold jump rings, I need my charm to have some gold within it. I don't like mixing. That's just personal preference of whatever you guys like. So loop in your charm. And then you're just going to loop this on the jump ring. So I want this next to the pink one, because I feel like it's going to pop more next to the pink one. So I am going to place it right next to my pink bead. Okay, so I'm going to put it on that other jump ring, and I'm just going to close it. And that is it, you guys. Super simple and the cutest little dangle ever. Look at how cute. So adorable. And that's it for this video, guys. I want to keep it super short and simple. But yeah, so beautiful. Look at how beautiful they are. I love them so much. Oh my God, so cute. So I hope this video inspires you guys. You guys can use my code Poochie10. I don't know if I mentioned that, on happycraftershop.com. And grab whatever's left, you guys, because she sells out. Like, I'm sorry if any of these things are sold out. Keep an eye out because she does have sales and stuff. And let me know what you guys think about these projects that I created this week. There's so many different charms she has that you can use. But I am loving the pumpkins, guys. I think it looks so adorable. And again, you can gift these for Happy Meal. Throw them on your projects. Give them to your kiddos so they can put on their little zipper pouches, their pencil pouches. I think that would be so cute. All right. So let me know what you guys think about my projects this week, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone.